Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world for rideshare and delivery drivers. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's video, I'm gonna be talking about Instacart bonuses and Instacart guarantees. So if you are interested in signing up for Instacart, use the link down below. I actually did reach out to Instacart, and I actually do have a custom code and link for you to use. So if you use that link, you will basically be inputted into a referral system. And once you do that, you will get a Instacart sign up bonus after you complete a certain number of rides, I believe. It does vary by market. But yeah, guys, I just really strongly encourage you to use it. So the difference, I wanted to just also say the difference between the cash, sorry, my hair is getting so long because of this whole coronavirus stuff and barbershops being closed. I don't know, I'm kind of digging it, I kind of don't like it, but anyways, so the difference between an Instacart cash bonus and an Instacart guarantee, well, I've just taken this from other apps as well. So let's say you sign up and they say, okay, complete 90 deliveries or 100 deliveries and you'll get a $1,000 cash bonus. So when I first signed up for Lyft, for example, I got a $1,200 cash bonus. So I completed 100 rides or whatever, and I got all my money. I think I probably made like, I don't remember how much I made. But then, after I completed that, they said, okay, we're gonna give you $1,200 cash. On top of that, that's a cash bonus. So the difference between that and a guarantee, usually the guaranteed amount is higher. They'll say, okay, do 100 deliveries and we'll guarantee $1,500 guaranteed. So they basically incentivize you to do a bunch of really quick trips. Like, you wanna do a bunch of little tiny rides. That way, after you complete the 100 rides, you only make like 500 bucks. But you see, they'll match the difference, so you get $1,000 extra. So the way it's working with Instacart is that after you do a certain number of rides, you're gonna get money. You're gonna get a sign-up bonus. So definitely use my link in the description down below. This is not something to sleep on. Instacart by far is the best way to make money right now on, going out and doing gig app money, going out and getting money from doing a gig. If you need money right now, I highly, highly, highly suggest checking out Instacart, at least trying it out. Like, try it out. If you don't like it, you're doing grocery delivery. I've done it before. I've done it for a while. So I signed up maybe around 6 months ago, and I've done it. We vlogged a bunch on my channel already. You can go check it out. I think I averaged like 24 to 30 bucks an hour. But I'm no expert by any means, Instacart, so I'm not like super good at it, but I could definitely see, if I kept doing it, kept going at it, a few months in, easily making 30, 40 bucks an hour, maybe even 50. Right now, at least, especially, people are tipping like crazy. I'm seeing $50 tips, $60 tips. No joke, guys, $120 tips. I'm not, actually on DoorDash, somebody got $180 tip. I'm like, it's absolutely crazy. So like, people are really thankful that you're going out, because a lot of people are older and, compromised immune systems. They want to stay at home, stay healthy. So they want you to go out, take that risk for them. They're outsourcing their risk, but they're willing to make it up by giving compensation for you in the form of tips. So anyways, use my link in the description down below to sign up for Instacart. And yeah, you can get a sign up bonus. All right, bye guys, thank you for watching.